How to add Lottie animation in Figma. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Lottie animation in Figma to bring your prototypes to life. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. You should know that what Lottie file is. Lottie files are lightweight .json animations used in apps and websites, perfect for icons, loaders, and UI effects. In Figma, click on the resources icon, go to the plugins tab and search for Lottie files and click install to add it in your plugins list. Now right click anywhere on your canvas and go to plugins. Then select Lottie files. You can browse pre-animation from the Lottie files library or click upload to add your own JSON animation file. Once you find the animation, you will click insert as GIF. Figma will convert the animation into a GIF format so you can place it on a frame. If you want it to loop in a prototype, in the prototype settings, make sure to enable loop playback for your GIFs. And that's it. This is how you add a Lottie animations in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.